Hi, welcome to Shares and Value. Today, I'm really excited to share with you four exceptional growth companies that we've proudly recommended to our members. And these are all companies with incredible upside potential that we believe can be actually game changers in your portfolio. But that's not all. I'll also be introducing to you our exclusive Black Friday sale. That's where we'll be offering something truly special, and you won't want to miss this. Well, what I'll do first up is let's go and into our first particular share. Okay, so first up you can see here is Mader Group, ticker code MAD, Mike Alpha Delta. You see, Mader Group is one of these incredible Australian success stories that really make me proud to be an Australian, and it's so hard to ignore. They've been growing at over 30% a year for more than a decade, and they've really built up a reputation for being the go-to name in mining services. And they're really growing at more than 30% year on year. I mean, from heavy machinery maintenance to spare parts and technical support, they really do it all, which really means that clients who use their services actually get to save on both time and money dealing with just one single provider. And you can see here what's really exciting about their expansion into North America is that, did you know that North America is actually the biggest mining market in the world? And Mader's already seeing some massive growth. I'm talking 64% last year alone. And I mean, with a founder like Luke Mader, who still owns 56% of the business, you know the business is actually built for long-term success. And at Shares and Value, we really love founder-led businesses. The reason is because that their agenda is so aligned with our shareholder outcomes. I mean, they're targeting $1 billion in revenue by financial year 26. And given their track record, I'm very, very confident they're well on their way there. So if you're really looking for a high growth story with strong team and clear vision, I mean, Mader is one to watch. I mean, before we get off on this, I mean, have a look at the chart. We're talking 5 years return of 435%. We're talking nearly an average of 95% year-on-year return for Mader. Now, as we go into the second stock tip pick here, we're referring to Biome Australia with ticker code BIO. Bravo, India, Oscar. It's really carving out its own niche in the health space. I mean, with precision probiotics and clinically backed products that are actually changing the way we think about gut health. Their activated probiotics range is sold through trusted channels like pharmacies, health practitioners, really setting them apart as a premium quasi-pharmaceutical brand. And as you can see here, with the revenue growing at 74% this year and profitability expected in this financial year 25, Biome is really at a tipping point. I mean, what really excites us is actually their growth potential. They've nailed the local market and they're really looking at expanding internationally with the same disciplined approach. Plus, their products are perfectly positioned to capitalize on big trends like gut health, weight loss, and the wellness sector. I mean, this isn't just another supplement company. It's actually a science-driven, founder-led business with a clear vision and a clear path for long-term success. And in fact, if you get a chance, be sure to check out our interview with the founder and managing director, Blair Norfolk. He's young, he's intelligent, and he's definitely the real deal. So if you're really looking for a high growth opportunity in the health sector, Biome is worth a serious look at. I mean, take a look at this chart. I mean, their stock price is up by 334% in the last year and 75% in the past 6 months alone. I mean, the numbers just don't lie. So now let us get on to the third stock, okay? I mean, let me tell you about one of our newest high conviction buys. This small cap ASX listed gold producer has multiple high-grade projects in Australia with incredible growth potential. They're gearing up for big production boost with one of their flagship projects set to produce its first gold by this December. And by 2025, they're targeting 100 100,000 ounces annually. I mean, this is perfect timing with the gold prices on the rise. Another really interesting fact is that they've recently secured an $80 million capital raise fund expansion, drilling and plant builds, and they will be debt-free post-funding. The stock has already doubled this year and it's trading at 55 cents. I mean, this is one that you can actually buy right now, and we will give you the name of this stock as soon as you join. Timing is key with opportunities like this, so definitely don't miss out. And as you know, getting in early before it takes off further, that's critical. And again, take a look at the charts and observe the staggering growth it's had in the last 6 months alone. To me, it's a real dream Australian mining story. Now, the second high conviction buy we have for you today, it's a company perfectly positioned to capitalize on the growing global demand for smarter water management solutions. As industries like mining, agriculture, and urban development prioritize sustainability, this business is set to deliver exceptional returns, and no better than this to be happening in Australia. And this is why we're excited. I mean, over the past year, right? I mean, look, the stock has surged 136%, right? Look at the charts alone. And in just 5 years, it's up an astonishing 650%. And furthermore, net profit has skyrocketed by 2,000% in 3 years. I mean, from a profit of $0.39 million in 2021 to now $7.9 million in profit in 2024. I mean, this is kind of consistent growth is rare, and it's the type of value that we're actually looking in our stock picks. Look, we're still bullish for the next 3 key reasons. Is number one, there's massive growth potential as the company diversifies beyond mining, multiple revenue streams with strong contracts and new water management services and robust financials, which is backed by strategic acquisitions and government support. So if you put in $10,000 today and the stock continues to deliver similar growth as it did last year, your investment could grow to $23.6 thousand in 12 months. And for those returns, that's probably even safer than houses. So this is a stock you can also buy right now once you join, and we'll reveal the name to you immediately after that. So as I promised, we've given you 4 stocks, which 2 I've named, and 2 we will give to you once you become part of our membership circle. So what is it that we're offering? So first and foremost, for Black Friday, we're not here to disappoint. So for our exclusive membership 1-year offer, normally the premium subscription membership is $17.95, and it's also tax deductible, by the way. You can get this now for $13.95. And as always, due to the demand and also to make sure that we keep our service levels really high for our members, we do have to limit this to only the first 40 memberships only. And the question is, what do you get with it, right? And I'm so blessed. I get to time and time again interview and all of the existing clients, and they continue to say the same things. Number one, you're getting access to our publication of ASX 200 equities. You're getting access to our growth dividend model portfolios. And what's really interesting is like the investor alerts. I mean, imagine receiving real-time alerts on holds and buys. And we don't take fence sitting options. We actually deliver high conviction recommendations. And most importantly, what our members really love is actually our designated account manager. Your designated account manager. I mean, when we talk about account managers, we're not just talking somebody who you can call once in a blue moon, but rather our account managers are active. They're extremely dedicated to your success, to our members' success. So you'll be hearing from them regularly. And obviously, if you have any questions or queries, they're here to answer you. And they have direct access to our team of highly qualified analysts who will then be able to give you a concrete information. And as you've already seen with the 4 stock picks, which I've named, 2, which I've already given you, you rarely get access to all of these stock picks unless you're actually investing in these reports with us. You can see that our team of analysts is one of the most respected industry experts, and all of our members continue to say how much they respect the quality of the information that they're being delivered so that they can make decisions for themselves. And it's really critical for you to remember, we are actually, we're not sponsored by anyone else. We are independent. So all of the stock picks that we nominate are actually vetted by our team of objective analysts. And you can see here, this is a sample of our 3-model portfolio. And what's really exciting here is that every single fortnight, without fail, we also have one of our industry-leading webinars where you will be invited every single fortnight, where we will discuss real life stock picks. And furthermore, if you can't attend, you will receive a recording. It's interactive. We really encourage you to engage with us on that platform. This is a place where you can learn, you can prepare for the risks ahead, where we'll talk about macro and micro concepts, and we don't shy away from the difficult conversations that we need to have to keep our investors informed. And as you know, if you can't make it, we'll be sending you these recordings. And all of our members, they really enjoy it, and I'm very confident you will too. And finally, what we really love is that every year we hold numerous exclusive member events where you get to meet our team and your community in various cities around Australia. And this is an opportunity where we will share best practice, we'll go through some stock tips and really talk about some, big economic ideas that's forming. And it's just a really great time where everybody can mingle. And most importantly, you're in an environment where you actually get access to our analysts. And also, like I said, it's about the community feeling, being around people that you can run ideas with. So here it is, guys. So as you can see here, we have actually been awarded 3 years in a row. That doesn't even do us justice on the slides. 3 years in a row by Product Review. We have been voted by our members as the most trusted and the best share research company across Australia. So please, as it's a one-off, it's a Black Friday opportunity where you can become part of our membership circle for $13.95. Click below to join us. Or if you have any further questions, we welcome you to send us an email. And look, if you're not completely ready to join yet and you still want to know a little bit more, please visit our website. We have a full page of testimonials from investors like yourself that have given us real life feedback on how they have used our services and the membership community to enrich and enhance their investment objectives to achieve some critical returns that they otherwise wouldn't have done so on their own. So thank you. I really look forward to seeing you probably at our next live event when you become part of our membership circle. And most importantly, we look forward to giving you the 2 other stock tips when you join.